Guangzhou, the Fifth Apparel started its journey as a house of ready-made garments engaged in product design, raw material sourcing, and shipping since 2010. We has a state-of-art vertically integrated garment sewing facility which ensures one-stop service to the buyers. As it stands today, we became the name of the lifestyle of its personnel, suppliers, and buyers. The Fifth Apparel experts on range from dresses, nightwear, swimwear, activewear, knitwear, woven pants, and various of casual fashion apparels. Our MOQ is 2 pieces. We have SEDEX certified and maintain all compliance requirement. At present, our own business market are retailers, brand owners, and wholesalers around Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Australia. For the greater commitment and care, Fifth Apparel has a vision is to become a window through which all our interacting parties can see and feel their prospect and dream about their success. We have professional designers and a well-equipped sample room. We can make samples within 3 to 5 days as per customer requirement, and our bulk production lead time is 3 to 4 weeks. Our monthly output is more than 200,000 pieces. The Fifth Apparel team is a highly skilled, motivated, and professional workforce. Our reputation by high quality with care, timely delivery, and competitive price. Trust and integrity are the cornerstones of our long-lasting relationships and are essential to fostering loyalty and teamwork. We care about our people, our customers, and about to creating a sustainable future together.